All right, everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are working with the F150, and as you can see, I have this support over here. So what is happening is these supports are bad. This one is leaking bad, so it's not holding the hood anymore. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that real quick, and then test it out, check it out, show you how it's done, and yeah, let's do this. So you slide this one over and then you pick it up. Same with this one right here. We'll lift it and it should go off. There we go. So you no need to remove this. If these rods are good, one should hold the hood by itself. So let's prepare this one. So this is your bottom one. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just lift it slightly and slide it out just a little bit. Then I'm gonna put it right here over this, and there it is. It clips in, so you don't have to actually remove the whole thing. So same thing with this one. So all you have to do is just to lift it enough so you can put this hole in here. As you can see, I'm going to lift this one up a little bit. There it is. As you can see right there, it clips in, it holds it, not going to go anywhere. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Really simple thing to do. You can do this on pretty much any vehicle or truck. It doesn't really matter. With just a flathead screwdriver, you can actually replace it. You don't need any special tools, you know. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.